1990 to 2001, the number of airports in the United States increased at a relatively constant rate. There's kind of a key word of 175 airports per year. That's our slope. There were 19,306 airports in the United States in 2001. That's like year 11 of the study. So in year 11, there were 19,306 airports. We've got a slope of 175, and we've got our points, so we've got enough information to go for. How many U.S. airports were there in 1990? So they want to know the initial number of airports in the study. The initial value is like our y-intercept. So let's work to find it. Y equals our slope, 175x, but we don't know the y-intercept. That's what we're looking for. However, they tell us a coordinate or a point that works in this equation. So we'll substitute 19,306 for y, 11 for x, and we're going to find the y-intercept. We get 19,306. 175 times 11 is 1,925 plus b. Find the b value that makes this true. And if we subtract 19,306 minus 1925, we get 17,381. Okay, so how many U.S. airports were there in 1990? There were 17,381. Write an equation that gives the number of U.S. airports as a function of the number of years since 1990. We've done all the hard work. We've got y equals our slope. They told us that was 175. Our y-intercept we just figured out in part A. That was plus 17,381. Part C, find the year in which the number of U.S. airports reached 19,500. So when will this equation kick out 1900? So I'm just going to save some space. We said 175x plus 17,381. What am I going to substitute for x to kick out 19,500? Now let's find out. Fence post. Subtract 17,381 from both sides. We get 175x equals, if we take 19,500 minus 17,381, we get 2119. And if we divide that by 175, we find out that x equals approximately 12.11. Now remember, this is years since 1990. So about 12 years after 1990, we'd say about 2002. Now that answer seemed a little fishy to me because 2002 is after the study. So I went and checked your book, and it looks like in your book this was 19,200. Well, that just changes a few things. If we take 19,200 minus 17,381, we get 1,819. And if we take 1819 divided by 175, we get about 10.39. So about 10 years after 1990. So according to your book, mine had a little typo in it. We'd say about the year 2000. Because 10 years after 1990 would be 2000.